Lives can be compared to candlelight. When you light it, it slowly consumes its wax. When the wax is used up, the light goes out. That's the end of the life. Here's a story of the life of a man called Hachigoro.
My goodness! What a mistake I made. I shouldn't have started gambling. I lost so much money. I can't possibly pay back that huge amount of money. The gangsters around. They are chasing me. They might catch me. They might torture me. Oh, I don't know what to do. Suicide. Yeah, there's nothing else. I should kill myself.
Hey, Hachigoro. Hachigoro.
Who are you? Hey, what are you doing in my house? What? You one of the gangsters. You want to get money back. I know you want to get the money back, but this is my house. This is my house. You can't come into my house like that.
Relax, Hachigoro. I'm not a gangster.
You're not the gangster? Then who are you?
I'll tell you who I am. I am from Underworld. I'm in charge of people's death. I'm a god of death.
A god of death? God of death? You must be joking. You must...
Right. You don't look like an ordinary man. Your hair's white, your clothes are old and dirty, and you're so skinny. Yeah, some of my friends told me that a god of death looks like you. So,
are you a god of death? A god of death? You've come to take my life? So, I must die now?
Relax, Hachigoro. I did not come here to take your life. I came here to stop you from dying.
Stop me from dying? What are you talking about? Aren't you a god of death?
Yes, I am. You still have a lot of wax left.
Wax? What are you talking about?
Listen, people have their own candle of life. Some candles are long, some candles are short. Long ones live long, and the speed of its use has much to do with your luck. If many lucky things happen, this candle gets shorter faster than others. For example, if you are born rich and live happily, enjoyably and comfortably, you burn your candle faster than those who are not rich. If you are born handsome and many great things happen because of your appearance, you burn your candle rapidly. Of course, you don't have to worry about that. No. I just wanted to say, you still have a lot of wax left. Live your life to the end. Dying earlier confuses our office work. Office work? You don't seem to understand. I lost huge amount of money. I have no money. Money? Is that what you want?
Yeah, that's what I want.
Okay then. I'll tell you how to make money.
Huh? A god of death?
Tell me how to make money? What kind of joke is that? Just listen. Hey, Hachigoro, be a doctor.
Doctor?
I've never treated a patient. I don't know anything about medicine. You don't have to. Just put on doctor's clothes and tell other people that you are a doctor. When you go to the patient's house, just look at the bed. You will find one of our men, another god of death, sitting either at the head or the foot of the patient. Now this is very important, listen to me. If the god of death is sitting at the head, don't do anything. You have to promise this. You don't do anything. The man's wax is used up. You can't save the patient. Promise. But if the god of death is sitting at the foot, you can still save him. Just say this magic word. Ajarakamukuren ECC. Tegeretsu no pa.
What's that?
Magic word. When we hear this, we are not supposed to stay in this world. We have to go back to Underworld. An obsessing spirit will go away.
Do you expect me to believe that kind of stuff? An old man suddenly appears in front of me and tells me to make money. Tell me a kind of magic word. What did you say? You said something like Ajarakamukuren ECC Tekeretsu no pa. Where did he go? He disappeared. disappeared. Hey, Haji! Hachigoro! Haji! Oh, you are Yoshi. What are you doing here? Oh, it's an emergency. It's an emergency. It's my mother. My mother has gotten sick. She's suffering a lot. I have to go get the doctor. So while I'm away, I want you to come to my house and stay with my mother. Oh, that is an emergency, isn't it? Okay, I'll come to your house. Wow, she's suffering a lot. Okay, go get the doctor. I'll stay with... Hey, the doctor's already here. Hey, doctor, what seems to be wrong with Yoshi's mother? What are you talking about? This is not the time to be joking. Come on, there's nobody here. Nobody here. It's not funny. Okay, I'll go to get the doctor. So please stay here, okay? Stay with my mother. See you later. Wait. But can't he see this? It looks exactly like the one that appeared in my house. So, this is a god of death. At the foot. So Yoshi's mother can be saved. I wonder what the magic word was. Magic word. Yeah. Ajaraka no kuren. ECC. Tekeretsu no pa. Disappeared. Disappeared. Oh, Yoshi's mother looks fine. She's smiling. It has worked. On his way home, he picked up a large piece of wood on which, with black ink, he wrote, Hachigoro Clinic. He put the sign at the door. Then somebody soon dashed in. So many people kept coming. When he went to the patient's house, he usually found a god of death sitting at the foot. He said the magic word and the patient was cured. Once every 30 to 40 cases, he found a god of death sitting at the head. When he saw it, he said, I'm sorry, I can't save this patient. Then, as soon as he finished examining the patient and was about to leave the house, the patient passed away. What a great doctor he is. He cured almost all the patients, and in some impossible cases, he examined clearly and immediately and precisely. What an excellent doctor he is. He started to make a lot of money. He paid back all his debt. He was still making a huge amount of money. Then he got really tired. Oh, I can't work any more than this. Then he put up a sign that says closed, and he went on a trip. He visited some hot spring resorts. He had the gorgeous parties every night. He spent all of his money and came back. As he was a famous doctor, patients came back. But when he visited the first patient's house, he saw a god of death sitting at the head. I'm sorry, I can't save this patient. Next patient's house, at the head. Next patient's house, at the head. Next patient's house, at the head. He never saw a god of death sitting at the foot again. Hey, what is going on? I can't make any money this way. Good evening. Yes, may I help you? I'm a manager at an antique shop. I need your help. I want you to save our master. Okay, please show me to your shop. When he went to the shop and looked at the bed, he saw a god of death sitting at the head again. Head again. How long will this continue? I can't help it. Hey, manager, I can't save this patient. If he passes away now, we will lose our very important business deal. And all of us will lose our jobs, please. Please do something. I'm sorry. I can't do that. Then how about this? 3 more days. 3 more days. If he is alive 3 more days, our business deal will be fine. And none of us will lose our job. Please let him stay 3 more days. If you can do that, we are ready to pay you 100,000 ryo. When he heard this amount, he almost went crazy. 100,000 ryo! That's a crazy amount. I can never make that in my whole life. 100,000 ryo. But I had a promise. I should never do anything if the god of death is at the head. Promise is important. 100,000 ryo. But promise is important. Yes, promise. 100,000. Okay, I'll accept the job. But I want you to listen. Please prepare 4 strong men. I want them to sit at corners of the futon of your master. When the right time comes, I'll hit my lap like this. When they see me do that, I want them to stand up and turn the futon the other way around. Can they do that? The manager promised that they will do it, and he made 4 men sit at corners of the stone.
long after midnight, this god of death started to be really tired, and he started to doze off. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Now he hit his lap. Then everybody stood up and turned the stone the other way around. Then he said, "Ajaraka mokunen ECC tekeretsu no pa!" The god of death was really surprised. Oh, this patient is supposed to die. I'm supposed to take him with me, but I must go alone now. I will be punished severely. Why did this happen? The god of death disappeared. Then this master of the store recovered, and the manager of the store promised to pay Hachigoro 100,000 ryo. Now Hachigoro is back at home. Great! What a great idea I came up with! Great! I won against the god of death! Great! Well, I stayed up all night, so I might have caught a cold. But 100,000 ryo, I don't have to work anymore. Hey, Hachigoro. Hachigoro. Who are you? What are you doing? What? You must be a god of death. God of death. Long time no see. I wanted to see you. Yeah. Good news. Great news. I won 100,000 ryo. I know that. I came to celebrate. Oh, you came to celebrate. Great. Let's go out for a drink. Let's celebrate. It's on me. Yeah, let's go. Do you know a good drinking bar? Yes, let's go there. Where? This way? Okay, let's go. I'm so happy. I can drink with you. I can celebrate. Yes. This is my neighborhood, isn't it? I've never seen this place. Where is this place? It's strange. The street is getting narrower and narrower, and it's getting darker and darker. Hey, where are we going? Hey, god of death, where are we going? I can't stop. It's getting dark. It's really dark. Hey, where are we going? Stop. Will we go into this house? Wow, this is a really spooky place. So many candles, thousands of candles, hundreds of thousands of candles. Hey, god of death, what are these candles for? They are all lives of people. Lives of people? But some are really long, some are really short. The length represent lifespan. Long ones live long, and short ones will die shortly. Then how about this? This has almost no wax. It's dying out. This is your candle. What? You will die soon. Wait, come on. What are you talking about? I just won 100,000 ryo. Why did you do that? I told you not to do anything when the god of death is at the head. When you turn the futon the other way around, you used up your wax. Oh, come on, it can't be, come on. 100,000 ryo. So many great things are waiting for me. I don't want to die here. I don't want to die now, please do something for me. Do you want to use this? What is that? This is a candle. If you successfully move that light there to here, you can live another life. Oh, that's great. Please give it to me. Oh, that's great. It won't be easy. 1 out of 10,000 cases will succeed. 1 out of 10,000, it's almost meaningless. Will you give it up? No, I won't give it up. This is my last chance. Oh, it's dying out. Hey, light, come to me. Come to this candle. Hey, come to this candle. God of death, the light is here. What? The light is there. It shouldn't happen. Hey, give it to me. No, I won't give it to you. I will not give it to you. This is a very important action!